And then down we go means we're going down. If you put off in the front, off we go, that's actually a pretty common way of saying we're leaving. Off we go. That's a way people usually say we're leaving. Sometimes you can say to another person, off you go, and that means go. Get away from here. So that's a way of telling someone to go away. Usually, maybe you would talk that way to children. Probably don't use, that's a little bit rude, so don't use that with adults. But it's a way of saying go away, leave here. Now, if you say here we go, here is not a preposition, but when you say here we go, that means, oh, we're beginning something new and exciting or interesting. So I thought we would practice using this phrase, here we go, even though that's not what they say in the picture. So let's say Mary and John are taking a big trip and they're very excited. They go into the car and they're sitting in the seat, ready to start the car. So let's see. And John asks Mary a question. Let's start with a sentence. Here's our sentence. You are ready for our big trip. How will you make a yes/no question with that sentence? Are you? Are you ready? Are you ready for our big trip? Are you ready for our big trip? Now Mary answers yes. And as the car starts moving, John says a phrase. And that phrase means we're starting something big. We're starting something exciting. He says, here we go. Here we go. And that means we're starting something new, something big, something exciting. Okay, let's try another example here. How about, here's another situation. Mike is about to go bungee jumping. All right, so what is bungee jumping in case you don't know? Let's find a picture. Bungee jumping. I would never do this. I know people do it, but for me, I would not do this. Let's see. Wait. Oh, let me. So this is bungee jumping, in case you didn't know. Bungee jumping. Okay. Well, let's get rid of that. And go back to our picture. Okay. So, Mike is about to go bungee jumping. And he gets ready. And right before he jumps, he says a phrase, which means I'm starting to do something exciting. I'm about to do something exciting. So what does he say right before he jumps? Here I go. Here I go. And that's how we know he's expecting something exciting.